Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today's video is going to be about I'm going to swatch some Beetles polish that I received for Christmas for my glitter girls. So we're going to swatch these 6 colors out. I'm going to do the best that I can. I'm not feeling too well. I'm a little under the weather, so to speak. That's an understatement, but I'm just sick. Not feeling too good, but we're going to swatch these out and see how we do. There are 6 beautiful colors. There are no names on them, but just numbers. So I numbered some swatch sticks stiletto at that. 1 through 6. And these bottles are, I think they're 7 ml. 7.3. Dang. I always forget to silence that other phone. So, let's see what we got here. Oh, this is beautiful. This is my color so far. I'm going to swatch these. I'm going to cure them all at one time. This is number 1. Number 1. We're going to go in with number 2, which looks like it would be an off-white. I shouldn't call it an off-white. I don't know what color you call it. Could be their white. We'll see. I need to find my bottle holder. I bought some from AliExpress for, maybe it was even Wish. Okay, yeah, this is their white baby. What is up with this brush? My brush was a little wonky there for a second. This is my first video of the new year, 2020. Happy New Year's to everybody. Stay tuned to see what 2020 holds for Just Nailed It. Last year was just a whirlwind of stuff. I was sitting there thinking about that last night. My first year on YouTube was painting nails, stamping, painting nails. Last year I did, let's see, hard gels, poly gel. Started out the year doing gels because Nails of Interest inspired me and I was just so curious. Whoops. This is number 3. That is a beautiful gray. Beautiful. Number 4. Now my curiosity lies with acrylics. I've dabbled a little bit. I've got my docu-series, which we will return to here in January. This is in the pink family. These are some beautiful polishes. They just glide right on. Number 4. We got, let's just stop reaching in front of the camera. We got 5 and 6 coming up. Number 5. I do have a haul video coming up. It might be lengthy. I might have to cut it in 2 parts. That of things I purchased from AliExpress. I can't remember. They had a sale on, I think it was November, and I've been, stockpiling the stuff up since it started rolling in. Number 5. So I've been stockpiling these things up. I got a bag next to my desk from like Walmart or something, and it's full. So we need to do a haul video here. We got this nice peachy color. I don't know what collection this is. It doesn't say on the box. This one's a 2-coater probably. Should do thin coats but gel, but I guess there should be no but this was looking a little thin to me. This is the only one I think that might require 2 coats. Gonna pop this last one in, number 6. Cure these for 30 seconds. So yes, this is Beetles. Let me take this out here. They are non-toxic free, which is low smell too, no harm to skin, which is great. Let me show you here on the box. I don't know if you can see this, if this will focus. It says the Girls Mood color set. I tried looking at Amazon for a set that said that, or colors that were close, because of the peach. It kind of makes it unique to me, I think. And I don't know. I'm not 100%. So right now I don't know if there's going to be a link in the description box. I'll have to get a hold of the Glitter Girls. Hopefully they can give me a link. I'm going to turn the light on again, cure them for a little bit longer. Maybe give them 10 more seconds. Hope everybody had a great New Year's Eve. I stayed home because I've been sick. Well, even if I wasn't sick, I would have stayed home. I'm not one for New Year's Eve. Been there, done that. Oh, look at this. And you know I have to do this. Oh, wow. It's not sticky. That is beautiful. That is number 1. Number 2. Oh, no, I love this gray. They're turning out beautifully. Now, let me switch these. Let's see number 6. It is thin, where it's going to need a second coat. And I want to do the color justice, so we're going to put a nice new coat on it. So we are going to top coat them. I'm going to let this sit for just a second because gel does self-level. I just wanted to do that, make sure that, or you can tip it upside down. That does work too. I want to give the polishes all some justice because this is beautiful. I'm not a peachy kind of girl. Mine is these two right here. Number 1 and number 3. Oh yeah. I love this one. This would be me right here all day long. So I'm going to pop this in. Give that a quick 30 seconds, and then we're going to start top coat with this here I found on AliExpress. Oh shoot. Cap popped right off. These are just beautiful. This is the High Shine Glossy Top Coat, which I love. I don't have the link for this top coat no more. And here we go for number 6. It filled it in nicely. If you're just joining us, we are Swatching Beetles, the polished set that I received for Christmas from the Glitter Girls. You gotta check out our videos. We are a great bunch of girl YouTubers, ladies, whatever you want to call us, but we are YouTubers, as you see. And we're not all female, so please subscribe to my channel. Can't forget to ask that. I'd greatly appreciate that if you're new here. Come and hang out, see what we're going to do this year. And we are down to our last one. This round we're going to cure for 60, and I'm going to pause while they do that. Make sure this is spread evenly. And we will be right back. We are back. Here are our 6 swatches of our Beetles nail polish that we got for Christmas. I think these are beautiful, beautiful colors. I really like them all. They just glide on. They're just beautiful, a beautiful set. I do highly... Whoa! I'm so sorry. This is right in front of my face, and I just hit it with my hand. Sorry about that. Talk about some hobble and bobble, huh? Well, this concludes our video for today, the first one of 2020. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.